Dear viewers, this video is about sticking of tablets during manufacturing at compression stage. Previous video was about sticking of tablets on various stages. Sticking during tablet compression in the pharmaceutical industry can occur for various reasons. Here are some common factors that may contribute to sticking. Number 1, formulation issues. Hygroscopic ingredients. If the formulation contains hygroscopic materials, they can absorb moisture from the surroundings, leading to sticking. Next is binder selection. Inappropriate binder selection or excessive use of binders can result in sticking. Number 2, granulation problems. Inadequate granulation. Improper granulation of the powder may cause poor flow properties, leading to sticking during compression. Next reason is overwetting. Excessive moisture during granulation can result in sticky granules. Number 3, tooling and equipment issues. Tooling wear. Worn or damaged punches and dies can cause sticky issues. Regular maintenance is crucial. Next reason relating to tooling is tooling material. The material used for tooling can affect sticking. Proper coating or material selection can minimize sticking. Number 4, tablet press conditions. Compression force. High compression forces can generate heat, causing the formulation to stick to the tooling. Next is speed of compression. Inappropriate compression speeds can contribute to sticking issues. Number 5, environmental factors. Humidity and temperature. Environmental conditions such as high humidity or temperature can impact the sticking behavior of tablets. Number 6, powder characteristics. Particle size and shape. The particle size and shape of the powder can influence the flow and compression properties, affecting sticking. Next reason is powder lubrication. Inadequate lubrication can contribute to sticking problems. Number 7, quality of raw materials. Contaminants. Presence of impurities or contaminants in raw materials can lead to sticking during tablet compression. Number 8, process control. Inadequate monitoring. Lack of proper monitoring and control during the tablet compression process can result in sticking issues. Number 9, tablet design. Complex shapes. Tablets with complex shapes may be more prone to sticking. Conclusion: to address sticking issues, it is essential to conduct thorough process evaluation, optimize formulations, monitor equipment conditions, and implement proper maintenance practices. Adjustments in granulation, lubrication, compression parameters, and environmental control can help mitigate sticking during tablet compression in the pharmaceutical industry. At the end, as usual, I will request you to please share and subscribe this video if you like it. Thanks a lot.